how to update the Roblox mobile app. In this video, I'm going to show you how to update the Roblox app so you get all the latest features on your iPhone, Android phone, or Samsung phone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So the easiest way to update Roblox on our iPhone or Android phone is to open up our respective app store. So on an iPhone, you're going to open up the app store and just search Roblox, open up Roblox, and if there's an update available, go ahead and select update. Now on an Android or Samsung phone, it's going to be very similar. Just open up the Play Store, search Roblox, and when you open up Roblox, if there's an update available, select update, and it'll go ahead and install the update. Now, if it shows no update available, or if after you've done that, you're still not getting the latest features or something's not working, what I recommend doing is uninstalling the Roblox app and then reinstalling it, and that'll ensure that it actually downloads and installs the latest version. On an iPhone, all you need to do is find the Roblox app, long press it, and select Remove App, and then confirm you do want to uninstall it by selecting Delete App. On an Android phone, just simply swipe up from the bottom and then find the Roblox app, long press it, and then just select Uninstall. It may not have the uninstall option, and if that's the case, long press the app and drag it up to the top and you'll see Uninstall show up. Once you've uninstalled it, go back to your app store, search Roblox, and then install Roblox, and then you will have the latest version and you'll have updated Roblox on your iPhone or Android phone. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.